where butterflies flutter among the colourful blooms. She delicately tends to her plants, her touch nurturing and gentle as she moves through the garden. Humming a gentle tune, Meera's presence enhances the garden's lively atmosphere. A playful butterfly flits around Meera, drawn in by the garden's vibrant energy. Lost in her world, Meera's joyful spirit resonates with the garden's natural beauty. The garden flourishes under Meera's care, a testament to her loving dedication and the magic of nature. In her lively garden, Meera cares for her flowers, her world calm and peaceful. A faint bird-like chirp pierces the tranquility, a subtle disruption in the air. Meera pauses, her brow furrowing with gentle curiosity as she tries to place the sound. Her eyes scan the lush greenery, searching for the source of the mysterious chirp. The subtle sound hangs in the air, a challenge to her senses, a puzzle to unravel. Meera's face reflects intense attentiveness, every sense heightened in pursuit of the elusive sound. Meera approaches the dense bush, a sense of cautious anticipation in her step. She peers underneath, her eyes widening as she discovers the bird. A tiny bird sits huddled with an injured wing, its small body trembling slightly. The bird remains unable to fly, a victim of circumstance. Meera's eyes reflect a surge of sympathy for the vulnerable creature. Meera gently cradles the injured bird, her touch soft and comforting. She steps into her house, a sanctuary of warmth and unspoken love. Meera's mother watches her daughter, a warm smile gracing her lips. Meera begins to explain what happened, her voice filled with gentle concern. The air is filled with unspoken love and support. The injured bird rests peacefully in Meera's caring hands, finding solace in her gentle touch. In the gentle quiet of her room, Meera delicately crafts a haven. With palpable tenderness, she prepares a safe space, her every motion a testament to her compassion. The bird rests peacefully, cradled in the heart of her gentle creation. Each adjustment is made with precision, ensuring the tiny creature is cocooned in comfort and warmth. The bird settles softly into its new bed, a symbol of hope and healing under Meera's devoted care. Her every gesture is imbued with a deep, silent promise of protection and unwavering support. Days later, the morning light filters into Meera's room, casting a gentle glow as she tends to the bird cage. With delicate care, Meera places a dish of water inside the cage, ensuring the small creature has everything it needs. She adds a handful of grains, her touch gentle as if not to disturb the fragile life within. Meera speaks in hushed tones, her words a soft murmur meant only for the bird's ears. She watches patiently, ensuring the bird's comfort and well-being, her presence a silent promise of care. In the soft light of her room, Meera gently cradles the injured bird. She examines its delicate wing, a glimmer of hope flickering in her eyes. A subtle shift, the wing shows signs of healing. Her face lights up with a hopeful expression. Realization dawns. Her dedicated care is making a difference. A quiet moment of triumph as life finds a way to mend. Weeks drift by, each sunrise bringing the promise of renewed strength to the small bird nestled in its box. The bird's wings beat with newfound vigor, a symphony of hope echoing in the quiet room. Meera's eyes sparkle with anticipation, a silent vigil of patience and tender care. Each flap of the bird's wings brings Meera closer to the moment of release, a shared dream taking flight. The air thickens with the unspoken promise of freedom, a gentle breeze carrying whispers of the open sky. Soon, the bird will soar once more, carrying Meera's hopes on its wings towards the boundless horizon. Bathed in the warm morning light, Meera steps into the garden, carrying a box with gentle anticipation. She pauses, the sunlight illuminating her face as she prepares to set the bird free. With a tender gesture, Meera opens her hands, offering the bird its long-awaited freedom. The bird hesitates for a moment, sensing the vast expanse of the open sky. With a burst of newfound courage, the bird soars into the sky, embracing its liberation. Meera watches with a hopeful smile as the bird disappears into the radiant horizon. In Meera's garden, a small bird pauses, sensing the moment of liberation. With a burst of freedom, it leaps from Meera's gentle hands. Flapping its wings, the bird soars, each beat carrying it higher into the vast sky. Meera watches, her heart swelling with joy as she witnesses the bird's triumphant ascent. Her pride mixes with the sheer wonder of the bird's flight. The bird becomes a mere silhouette against the sun, a symbol of boundless freedom. High above Meera's garden, a bird dances in the sky, its cheerful chirps filling the air. The bird's flight seems to trace a message of gratitude across the boundless blue. Each chirp echoes like a heartfelt "Thank you for your kindness" to the unseen benefactor below. The lens captures every graceful movement, etching a portrait of appreciation on the canvas of the sky. The bird's gratitude becomes a vibrant, living painting against the backdrop of the endless heavens. A simple act of kindness reflected in the soaring, thankful heart of a small creature. Meera's spirit soars as she watches the bird ascend, a beacon of her own boundless kindness. A wave of realization washes over her, illuminating the profound joy derived from acts of compassion. Her heart swells with inner fulfillment, an unspoken testament to the transformative power of giving. The garden around her blooms in harmony with her spirit, a vibrant reflection of her inner peace and contentment. Sunlight bathes Meera's living room as she begins to share stories of her day. Meera recounts her day, her expressions animated and full of life. Her family listens, their faces reflecting admiration and love. Meera, your kindness shines brighter than any star. Your compassion inspires us all. You truly embody the values we hold dear. Meera walks through the neighborhood, radiating kindness with every step. She stops to help an elderly woman, her brow furrowed as she balances the heavy grocery bags. Meera kneels beside a fallen child, offering comfort and a reassuring hand. Bathed in sunlight, Meera embodies pure compassion and dedication. Bathed in the warm, vibrant hues of the setting sun, Meera's garden becomes a sanctuary of peace and reflection. Lost in contemplation, Meera reflects on the tapestry of her life, each thread woven with experiences that have molded her spirit. A gentle breeze whispers through the leaves, carrying the sweet fragrance of blooming flowers, as if nature itself shares in her quiet reverie. The setting sun mirrors the profound truth. Even the smallest acts of kindness can ignite the world, leaving an indelible mark of positivity. Under the starlit sky, Meera looks up, her face illuminated by the celestial glow. The starlight bathes her in a soft glow, accentuating her gentle features and peaceful expression. A soft smile graces Meera's lips as a wave of gratitude washes over her. The scent of jasmine and roses fills the air as Meera savors the stillness of the night.